Hey Narcity, it's Lance McMillan. I'm here at the Distillery District in Toronto, where the first signs that the holidays are just around the corner have started to appear.
Every year at the Distillery District, in preparation for the holidays, a large tree is erected at Trinity Square, and it is no small task. The over 50-foot silver fir tree is loaded into the square, where it is then harnessed to a large crane. Various adjustments are made to the tree, which will be necessary before it can be set into place, including the sawing off of a thin slice off the bottom.
45 years old.
Once the tree becomes upright, other adjustments are made before it is set in its final position. Following this, the various ropes that were keeping the branches together are cut loose and the tree begins to resemble its fuller self. The whole process takes over 2 hours. For Narcity Canada, I'm Lance McMillan.